Anybody who knows Vortex Aero exhaust pipe installation procedure, or who's ever installed one of these things, knows what it takes. I'm going to share some of the tidbits that I found because I watched a video online and I found that it was productive, but it was also not, I couldn't make it work the way they suggested. So here's some points I'm going to share. You'll see in one of the videos they suggest that you put this on first, and I found that it was almost impossible to get this on after I had this on. Now, I obviously didn't know the technique that they used, so I ended up taking it all off and I put this together first. And to do that, make sure that you start with this top spring or inside spring where this ridge is, because that is probably the hardest spring to get on, and you don't want to be trying to get that one on later. Then make sure that you put another one on, another spring on, this one or the other one, and when you pry this on, like start it here, pry it on, and then in preparation for getting the other spring on, what I did, I think you can see here, I stood on it, got a piece of 2x4, put it under here, stood on it, I crimped this to get some more so that I could get this spring on. Obviously I did the other spring first, and then I was able to get it on, because I'll tell you, it is not easy. Then I came back up here and I put these two on first, and then I pried it forward. And to pry it forward, you have to have this out and bring it up past here. Be careful, obviously, and then you can get this on. You don't need their little hook tool to do it. Just pull it over and slip it on. It's easy with all this leverage. It's very easy. Something else that I found, you can see here, there's this hole right here, and when this piece came, this rubber bushing was through that. I don't know if that was a mistake or if maybe there's a different design for these brackets, but or maybe there's a different design for the air cleaner. But what I would suggest is you make sure that these bushings go onto the exhaust first before you put it up here, because what I did was I just hooked this on because, well, it fits right into the old bushing spots. But what happened was, so here's the old hole. Well, I got that up there. Well, this is not going to fit between those two. So it must have been a mistake when they put it together. I don't know. And then because I put it through this one and this one, I bent this, not really knowing. But now I have it through here and through here. This, unfortunately, if you can see, there's nothing backing it, but I don't know what else to do. It is strong up here. I've got it hard. It's really tight, and I think this would have fit now. There's a little notch right here. I think that would have fit, but I mean, I got it working, and I think that it's doing a pretty good job here. It's pretty straight. I just bent this so that it was straight. I turned it so it was straight again, and I mean, it's on rubber anyway, right? So it's kind of floating. But I'm pretty happy, pretty pleased. I got it on after a month of waiting for this thing. I am gonna be back in the air. I could even go flying tonight, I think. I should start it up and give it a try, and then I'll know for sure. Awesome! Have fun, guys. I hope that this is of benefit to you, getting this thing on, because I'll tell you, I could have really used this video. Have a great day.